In this video, I want to show you how to change the wallpaper on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and Air. So you're going to go into the settings of your iPhone over here, settings, or if you don't see it, go all the way towards the right side, tap on App Library and type Settings. And then go down and select Wallpaper right over here. If you simply want to change the wallpaper on the lock screen or maybe the wallpaper on your home screen, you can click on Customize on either of these. So let's say I want a new home screen wallpaper. I'll click Customize, Photo. If I want to import a photo and use it as a wallpaper, let's say this one. You can edit it slightly by dragging left and right, and once you're done, press done. You're going to see a small preview, press done, and you have changed the wallpaper of your home screen. You can do the same with the lock screen. If you want to create a new pair of home screen and lock screen wallpapers, you can click at any moment Add New Wallpaper. Select again one of these options, or if you want to use your photos, select Photos. I'll go ahead and select one of these instead, that one. From here, you'll be able to customize your lock screen, not only the wallpaper, but the time. You can add widgets, many different things. I made a separate video on how to do this. Press Add. And if you want your lock screen and your home screen to have the same wallpaper, you're going to select Set as Wallpaper Pair, so both will have the same. If you want your home screen to be different, click on Customize Home Screen. And here you'll be able to select a new pictures only for the home screen. So let's say this one, done, done. And now I'll have a new pair, right over here, a new pair of lock screen and home screen wallpapers. And this is the current one, as you see. To switch between pairs, we can simply click Set as Current, and this one will be Apply. You can do this as much as you wish. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.